Keen.
Welcome to Green and Keen. Ready to challenge your brain? Get ready to learn and have fun. We'll have 3 stages, each with 10 challenging questions and some exciting bonus rounds to top it off. Here we go. Stage 1, addition and subtraction. Question number 1, 7 plus 3 equals? The answer is 10. Question number 2, 8 plus 6 equals? The answer is 14. Question number 3, 10 plus 8 equals? The answer is 18. Question number 4, 15 minus 5 equals? The answer is 10. Question number 5, 12 minus 4 equals? The answer is 8. Question number 6, 18 minus 6 equals? The answer is 12. Question number 7, 11 plus 5 equals? The answer is 16. Question number 8, 13 plus 7 equals? The answer is 20. Question number 9, 20 minus 8 equals? The answer is 12. Question number 10, 16 minus 4 equals? The answer is 12. Get ready for bonus round. Bonus question number 1, 12 plus 13 equals? The answer is 25. Bonus question number 2, 15 plus 3 minus 8 equals? The answer is 10. Bonus question number 3, 9 plus 9 minus 10 equals? The answer is 8. Wow, that was awesome! You've done an amazing job on stage 1. Now get ready for a more challenging questions on stage 2. Here we go! Stage 2, multiplication and division. Question number 1, 6 times 2 equals? The answer is 12. Question number 2, 7 times 3 equals? The answer is 21. Question number 3, 5 times 3 equals? The answer is 15. Question number 4, 10 divided by 2 equals? The answer is 5. Question number 5, 15 divided by 3 equals... The answer is 5. Question number 6. 12 divided by 2 equals... The answer is 6. Question number 7. 6 times 5 equals... The answer is 30. Question number 8. 8 times 3 equals... The answer is 24. Question number 9. 18 divided by 6 equals... The answer is 3. Question number 10. 24 divided by 3 equals... The answer is 8. Get ready for bonus round. Bonus question number 1. 5 times 2 times 4 equals... The answer is 40. Bonus question number 2. 50 divided by 10 equals... The answer is 5. Bonus question number 3. 3 times 3 times 3 equals... The answer is 27. Fantastic! I know you are a math whiz. Now let's keep the momentum going. Brace yourself for the next stage. Stage 3, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Question number 1, 12 plus 5 equals... The answer is 17. Question number 2, 18 minus 4 equals... The answer is 14. Question number 3. 9 times 3 equals... The answer is 27. Question number 4. 22 divided by 2 equals... The answer is 11. Question number 5. 13 plus 6 equals... The answer is 19. Question number 6. 12 minus 9 equals... The answer is 3. Question number 7. 11 times 4 equals... The answer is 44. Question number 8. 50 divided by 5 equals... The answer is 10. Question number 9. 20 plus 12 equals... The answer is 32. Question number 10. 30 minus 15 equals... The answer is 15. Here comes the bonus round. Bonus question number 1. 10 times 4 plus 8 equals... The answer is 48. Bonus question number 2. 22 plus 7 minus 9 equals... The answer is 20. Bonus question number 3. 12 times 2 times 0 equals... The answer is 0. Congratulations! You've conquered today's challenge. You should be very proud of yourself. Subscribe for a daily math challenge. And don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Share it with your classmates, siblings, parents, everyone, to see who has the sharpest mind. I will see you on the next episode. Bye now.